What's up YouTube? Joe Santi back with another video, and today I'm gonna change the slide on my Glock 19 Gen 5. So here's what it looks like right now. It's the zeroed in Armory grip ripper slide, and I'm gonna replace it with this one. It's this Slideworks Engineering. I forgot what they call this slide, but it chose the cobalt Cerakote. I don't know if this is the actual color because I thought it's more black, but this one looks light gray. And it's cut for an RMR and or a Hollow Sun 507C or 407C. And I'm gonna strip this slide down so that I can put the internals in the other slide. Let's get started. So first, make sure it's clear and field strip and put the frame away. Take the recoil spring off, take the barrel off, and I'm gonna grab a punch and let me zoom in. So I'm just gonna depress this thing here. I don't know what it's called, the plastic part. So you're gonna push that down and push the back plate down at the same time, and keep your thumb on there so the spring pressure doesn't eject the parts. And we're just gonna take this out, striker and the spring assembly. Put that to the side, and we're gonna take out this plunger and the spring. You press the safety plunger and your extractor should fall out. Put that to the side and just take out the safety plunger with the spring. Put that to the side. And now I'm going to take my 407C off. Alright guys, I'm back. I had a hard time taking the Hollow Sun off because I put some thread locker right there. But I used a hairdryer to heat it up, and I was able to get it out. Okay, so now that I stripped this one, I'm gonna put the old parts and the Hollow Sun in the new slide. Okay, so here we go. And let me zoom in.
Put everything in the back.
Yes.
Put it in the back.
Okay, so right now I'm gonna put the striker spring assembly. Just insert that in there with the tab pointing down.
Put that in the plastic bag over there in the back. Yeah, put it back.
Well, actually, I have to put the extractor first. Put the extractor right here. Goes that way. Hold that in place, and I'm gonna put the safety plunger. And see. lines up a certain way. Okay. Flat side that way.
Do you see that?
Okay. Just press that in. Now I'm gonna put the striker assembly in the striker channel.
Put it in the back.
Press
Put it in
this
the back.
down. Okay. So now, if I press this, the plunger, the striker should protrude, as you can see there. If I release it, it doesn't. Okay, so, oh, that fell out. Hold on. Should be captured by the safety plunger. There we go. Keeps falling out. Oh yeah, forgot. Okay, so forgot I need this one. It retains the extractor, so. Okay, so now that we have everything in place, we're gonna put the back plate right at the rear, and I'm just gonna push the striker, whatever that thing's called, the plastic thing behind the striker, that holds the striker together, and the plunger. I'm gonna push that down and push the back plate all the way forward. Alright. Okay, it looks good. And I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the barrel and the recoil spring assembly. And I'm going to function test. A little bit.
Do you see the one's this?
It seems to function fine.
I see what's a
The slide locks to the rear, no problem. Which you guys can see. And now we're just gonna mount the Holosun 407C.
Do you see that?
So I'm just gonna take the screws right off.
Do you see
Voice.
Do you know?
Okay, so there's a little bit of a play on the red dot itself, but the screws already, I think it's already maxed out. So I think the screws are for an RMR. So I'm gonna have to get a different screw. Maybe I'm gonna look in the box of the Holosun. Maybe they have a screw that fits, but I'll leave it there for now. But it rattles, it moves.
Do you see that?
Alright guys, so that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.